And I just got this not too long ago, so I'm gonna try to do some double duty here. I got two different cameras on this bad boy, so hopefully both of them is picking this up. So here we go. This is the Wefone. Let's see if I can grab this. All right. And not a bad drone. It comes with, let's see, there's one, there's two batteries, and here's the drone. Y'all see that? Wefone WF33. And here is the gem of the show. It comes with a screen recorder. And the good news is this drone is a duplicate 3 times over. And I had not known that until I saw it 3 different times. So it has antennas, it has these sticks on the bottom, and we're gonna fly it a little bit today. By the way, happy Memorial Day. I have some other drones I'm gonna do as well, so stay tuned for those. Those videos should come out soon, because I'm gonna do a lot of them today. Get ready, get ready, get ready. All right, here we go. I'm about to set this up, and next time you see me, we'll be getting ready to fly in the air. And we're gonna go back up, everybody. So I'm gonna hit my record button again. And that wasn't the greatest because I got hit by some wind at 85 feet in the air. So this is not one of those drones where you can go up to 200, 300 feet. But stay tuned. I have more on the way. Really, really soon. And I just happen to be recording those today. I will not do follow me. I have no reason for that. But circle flight, we will try out circle flight. And these are pretty much all the different functions of this particular drone that you're gonna get. Sad but true, I'm not gonna do headless mode because there's no reason. But like I said, this is your zoom. Yeah, if I can do it. This is your zoom. See that? So I do have zoom on here, which is awesome. And while I'm up there, I'm going to take a couple pictures because, like I said, there's not much you can do on this drone. And I should have put an SD card in this bad boy because I do have some SD cards I can use. But we will do that another time. This is simply for the first flight purposes. This will not be a long video because the battery is not going to be long-winded either. So enough talking. You know this is your boy TJ from Wings of Love. And we're going to go back up again. Let's go back up. Now that I have my sunglasses off, I can see a little bit better. So we're going to go back up. Let's unlock. GoPro, y'all. I have a new GoPro coming in, so if I don't have the best footage, that's because I'm waiting on another camera. So bear with me. I thank you for watching. Thank you for wanting to learn with me. And I'm gonna unlock those motors once again, and we're gonna go up. Let's try on the remote control going up. Let's see how much hovering we can get out of this. And I'm gonna turn it around once again without going up. And I think I see myself. I can barely see this. That's why you see me hovering over. So I'm gonna go ahead and wave at the camera. And I'm gonna get a little bit closer to me, if I can. Let's go up a little bit. Go in a little bit without hitting me in the face. You got a little toilet bowl, but this little drone is only a wind resistance of 2. So it has to be flown in light, very light winds. So I'm doing good today because the winds are cooperating, sort of. There we go. Hi, everybody. How are ya? Let's go back up, okay? That was the first battery. This is battery number 2. And this time we will do a little circle mode, and we'll come back down with a return to home one more time, and we will call this video a wrap, okay? Let's turn the other way, and let's go back up at least 80 feet this time. And you ready? Let's turn a little bit more, and backing up. That time, the wind got me that time. Okay, let's go up a little bit. All right, it's not liking that wind, and I am not but 40 feet in the air, and I gotta go higher than that. I know I do. So I'm gonna go above me, and I'm going to try this circle mode. I don't know which one it is. I guess I didn't read the instructions very well, but I can push this button right here, and I can do circle flight, and I can see how far I have it set for, if it will do circle mode. It's not responding. Okay. This one. And we have circle mode. Amen. We have circle mode. I found it on the remote control, and it's fighting that wind. This is your circle flight, and I don't have it, the radius very big, and it's circling around me right now. Amen. Let's stop that. And I'm only 41 feet in the air because this wind is changing on me, I can tell. So let's go out a little bit ways and see if we can get this to cooperate with us once again with return to home. Okay, I'm gonna go out a little bit. I'm only 40 feet in the air, so I need to go up just a little bit. Let's go up a little bit more to about, let's go up at least 60. That's fine, 64. And bring up the gimbal a little bit. See, our horizon is still tilted a little bit. And we are going to just zoom in a little bit because we do have this recording on the phone. So let's put the gimbal down just a little bit. And let's go out. Let's bring it back up. Well, it didn't like that. So I'm going not to move that gimbal very much because that wind is fighting me at 64. So let's go out a little bit because I can see a little bit better. Let's go out just a little bit. It's not picking me up that well. Let's see, did I put that in headless mode? Let's follow me. So let's see if it'll follow me. I'm gonna put I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm gonna put it down, see if it'll follow me. And we're gonna go and it says, please keep the drone within 5 to 30 meters. Once the follow me is enabled, the drone will align with the connection. Oh, it's circling. Let's see if it follows me. It's following me. I could actually come over here. I might fly the rest of my drones from in here. It did follow me inside. Let's see if it'll follow me out. I've never done the follow me mode before, so on any drone, this is my first follow me, y'all, and it's working. Hey man, I am happy about that. So I may find a new spot to fly my drones from because I might be able to see better if I'm in an enclosed area. And it followed me pretty good. What y'all think? Very, very good. Now we're gonna go out a ways. Let's turn it around. Put our gimbal up a little bit. And we're gonna go out and come back and call this a day. Only 64 feet in the air, and we are at least, let's go up to 200 and come back. There we go, 200, 210. Now we're gonna go ahead and click on our controller, return to home, and this time I will put my gimbal down as far as I can, but it's saying the wind speed, beware of the wind speed to ensure a safe return. Okay, it's turning, and I'm going to, when it gets closer, I'm going to drop the gimbal down to see how close we are. This is me dropping the gimbal. And it's getting close, and I see the wind is allowing it to do so, but it is pretty close. It looks like it's gonna be all right. Let's see, let's go down a little bit more if we can. Not too bad. I see the landing pad. See what we're doing. It looks like it might make it, y'all. Let's see what we can do. It's slowing down. Let's doing pretty good. All right. I like it. Gonna be off a little bit. Gonna be off. I'm gonna stop it. I stopped it, y'all. I had to bring this gimbal up. And I'm gonna move it over. I'll move it right over there. I'll put the gimbal down again so you can see what I see. There's the landing pad. And we'll move it over again. Move it up. And the wind is not liking that. So we're gonna come straight down. Not that way, this way. Go up a little bit. And that seems about right there. Come over a little bit more. Seems about right. I'm not looking at it the right way, but we're gonna get there, y'all. The wind is fighting it. It's very light. So let's go straight down. Amen. Uh-oh. Almost. It won't let it go down because it's not in landing mode. Let's go down. Stay down. And we made it. All right. This is your man from Wings of Love Tech. I'm gonna move this gimbal back up. We are still waiting on our GoPro. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. This is your man TJ from Wings of Love Tech. Until we meet again, bye now.
On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together flying.